Okay, so if you're a small business owner, you know the feeling, right? Just kind of throwing marketing ideas at the wall and really hoping something sticks. And now, with AI in the mix, it feels like there's even more pressure to get it right. So, how are we going to get from that chaotic guesswork to a smart, repeatable system that actually grows your business? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Let's be real for a second. I mean, does that question hit a little too close to home? For so many of us, the marketing plan is basically, oh shoot, I haven't posted today. I got to get something up. You know you need to be consistent, but you're also the CEO, the head of sales, the customer service rep, everything. It is tough, and you are definitely not the only one feeling that way. And this is where that whole winging it strategy leads you. Staring at that blinking cursor, just feeling the pressure to come up with something brilliant. A clever caption, a viral video, that perfect sales email, when your creative tank is just completely empty. It's a direct path to inconsistent marketing and, honestly, total burnout. And then, boom, AI came along. And it felt like a miracle, right? An endless content machine right at our fingertips. But pretty quickly, a lot of us hit a brand new wall, the prompt problem. Look, don't get me wrong. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, they're absolutely incredible. They can brainstorm, they can write, they can create stuff in seconds. The promise is great there, an instant solution to your content problem, ready to go 24/7. It really does feel like magic. But here's the catch. The magic only works if you know the right spell to cast. If you give it a vague, generic prompt, you're just going to get vague, generic content back. So the real question becomes, how do you go from just messing around with AI to using it strategically, to get results that actually bring in customers and make you money? And I want to be crystal clear about this. If you've been struggling to get great results from AI, it's not you. You haven't failed. What's missing isn't your skill or your creativity. It's a system. It's a framework that tells the AI exactly what your business needs it to do. So, let's build that system. We are talking about replacing all that guesswork with a smart, repeatable process that's designed to get the absolute most out of these amazing AI tools for your marketing. So here it is. The solution is a system called the Marketing Prompt Vault. And it's not just some random list of ideas. You should think of it as a complete marketing engine. It's a library of over 100 copy and paste prompts, and every single one is strategically designed to guide a potential customer on their entire journey, from the very first time they ever hear about you to that moment they decide to buy. Now, what makes this so different is who's behind it. This wasn't put together by some random prompt bro on the internet. It was built by Monique James. She's a certified AI consultant and a marketing architect. And what that means is that every single prompt is built on proven marketing strategy, not just some clever AI trick. Okay, so let's pull back the curtain a little bit. How does this system actually work to create content that gets you real-world results? It all breaks down into this really simple but super powerful three-part engine that actually mirrors a real customer journey. First, you've got prompts designed to attract attention and stop people from scrolling. Second, you've got prompts to convert that attention into paying clients. And third, prompts to nurture those relationships, build loyalty, and get repeat business. It's your entire marketing funnel, just powered by AI. Okay, let's look at a real example for that attract phase. You could use this prompt here. Now, notice it doesn't just say, give me a video idea. It asks for something very specific, a surprising stat turned into a viral style video. See, that's the kind of strategic input that gets you content that actually stops the scroll. And this isn't just for social media. For the nurture phase, check this out. With just one command, you can generate an entire 3 email welcome sequence for your new subscribers. I mean, just think about the hours that saves you, while making sure every single new person on your list gets a professional and really welcoming experience. Now this is where it gets really powerful. The system also has prompts for your high-level strategy. You can literally tell the AI, hey, I want to be known for this specific area of expertise, and it will give you a content roadmap to build your authority. This is about building a brand, not just writing a post. So, who is this actually for? Well, it's pretty much tailor-made for coaches, consultants, creators, and service-based business owners who are just ready to move from making it up as they go to implementing a real strategy. If you're using AI but you're not getting the results you want, or you're just plain tired of winging it, this system is for you. All right, let's bring it all home and talk about the real transformation here. This is all about taking the chaos and the unpredictability out of your marketing and turning it into your most reliable, streamlined business system. I mean, this picture just says it all, doesn't it? It's the difference between that chaotic feeling of sticky notes and random ideas scattered everywhere and the calm, focused clarity of a structured content plan. It is literally the difference between marketing anxiety and marketing confidence. So here's the bottom line. Without a system, you're stuck staring at that blank screen, getting junk output from your AI, and just feeling totally burnt out. With the Prompt Vault, you get over 100 strategic ideas ready to go, content that actually converts, and a clear, repeatable process you can finally rely on. And the investment for this entire system, it's just $47. That's a one-time payment. When you think about the hours of frustration it is going to save you every single month, it's an incredible value for a complete, stress-free marketing framework. So I'll just leave you with this question. What if your marketing stopped being a source of stress? What if it wasn't a guess anymore? What if, with the right system in place, it became your single greatest strength in growing your business?